Hey guys, this is Vince from Text, and today I'll be showing you how to make your own hand sanitizer. So the ingredients you're going to need is an aloe vera plant, rubbing alcohol or isopropyl alcohol that's at least 70%, a funnel, a dispenser, a bowl, a blender, and something to cut the aloe vera with. So right now you're only going to need the aloe vera and the things you're going to cut the aloe with. So you can put everything to the side. And you can cut the aloe vera. I'm not going to teach you how to cut it, but you can search it up yourself. Once you've cut it up, you can put some in a plastic bag and save it for later, and then the rest of it you put it in the blender and blend it. Once you've blended it, measure how much of the aloe you have. So with the fizz, I have about like 1 cup, but I'm just gonna put in like 1/4 of the cup, and make sure you put 2 times the amount of alcohol as the amount of aloe you have. So for example, if I put 1/2 cup of aloe, then you should put at least a cup of alcohol. So I'm gonna put 1/4 cup. 1/4 cup of aloe. No, this is the whole thing. And then we measured this. This is 2/4 cup of alcohol. So we put that in there. And then you mix. So mix for like three minutes until it becomes like jello. And yeah. Okay, now mix until it's like jello, like this. And once it's like that, get your funnel and your dispenser, and put the hand sanitizer in the dispenser. Oop, that's too much. Now I have some hand sanitizer and I have extra. Let me try using it. It's already on my hands. See that? It's just like hand sanitizer. It smells kind of bad, so you can put some like rosemary oil or peppermint oil to make it smell better. Hey guys, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys learned something and stay safe and healthy.